In this video we are talking about if AVAX is going to zero or if we see a run to the upside. We started our bullish move from this demand zone right here in 2021 and saw a massive push to the upside. From the down to the top we saw an exact move from 1300%, and after that we saw a correction about 94% to the price right now. So now the question is, are we going to fall to even lower levels or do we find some bullish support right here? As I said, we have this demand zone right here where we started the bullish move to the all-time high. We once came back into the zone, find some support, moved out of it, but then we came back to the zone right here. And now as you can see, we made a lower low with this low right here. And as you can see, we had this low right here. We just saw a wick right here. So it wasn't a body close. So it wasn't a break of structure. But as you can see right now, the price made a lower low. That's a very bearish sign for Avalanche. But as you can see, we have 2 days left for this weekly candle right here, and it's very important that we don't see a body close under this lows right here. So if this candle is moving up a bit so we don't close under this lows right here with the body, I see hope for AVAX that we see a bullish return to the upside. But if we see a body close like this candle is right now, the chances that we are going to the downside are even higher. If we break this demand zone, I think that the next target will be this demand zone right here, because we saw a push from this zone right here. So this would be the next target for AVAX. So do I think this is the end for AVAX? I think it's not looking very bullish right now, and it would be very important for AVAX if we want to see a bullish move to the upside that we close with the body right here in this demand zone. But if we see the bearish move, I think that the next support will be right here in this zone. But what will happen in the next days and weeks for AVAX? I think it's very important that we break this last high right here. If we don't break this high right here, there are no bullish signs for AVAX. But if we are breaking this high here right now, the chance that we see higher prices for AVAX is very high. So this high is very important that we see the first bullish signs. But this high right here is also very important because from this high we saw this bearish correction to the downside and saw this lower low. If anything interesting is happening for AVAX, I will make a video about it. So please subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss the next updates. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching and see you in the next one.